Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial it's going to be a Canva shortcut how to align and space elements in seconds. So guys, this is going to be a really quick tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how you can simply align elements on your Canva. All you need to do is your designs are messy and you want to fix them, use this shortcut. So basically open up a design. As you can see, I have one here, and now all you need to do is quite simple. Go ahead and select multiple elements inside of your design. You may not know how to do this, but all you need to do is on a Windows computer, not a MacBook, on a Windows, just go ahead and click on Shift. So go ahead and select Shift and then select the elements inside. So once you've selected an element, you can now simply click on another element. And as you can see, all of these elements remain highlighted by my cursor. And then just go ahead and select all the elements you want to realign. Just select all of them and then simply click on position at the top. So click on position and then simply scroll where we have arrange. Simply scroll till you find tidy up, which is basically Canva's AI form of just simply assisting you tidy up the design. And then once you're done, you'll find it looking like this. So guys, Canva basically auto spaces everything evenly, makes everything look neat and clean. And that's how it's done. So guys, comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.